How to use handwriting on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on general management. So after click on general management, click on Samsung keyboard settings. Now here, so you will see handwriting is here, so click on handwriting. So first of all, turn on pen. So first of all, turn on pen detection. So after turn on pen detection, go back to home screen, refresh phone and click on Notes app. Now here, so click on Notes. And you will see and write from here, so you will see. You will see after writing, after enter, so you will see after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can use handwriting on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.